Traders and influencers can't be online 24/7, but AI agents can. Picture this. In the future, your favorite crypto influencer might not be a person, but an AI agent, tirelessly managing trades and engaging with the community at all hours. This is the dawn of a new era where AI doesn't just predict markets, but actively shapes them, offering round-the-clock insights and interactions. But what are crypto AI agents? They're sophisticated software programs that operate autonomously within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Imagine digital entities with advanced algorithms for market analysis, trading, and portfolio management. These are not your typical bots. They're designed with machine learning capabilities to learn from data, adapt to the market changes, and make decisions based on complex patterns that would be challenging for a human to discern. They can also engage with communities, functioning as influencers by disseminating information or insights. These agents use AI to handle tasks like real-time market analysis, executing trades based on predefined or dynamically adjusted strategies, managing risk through predictive analytics, and sometimes sharing market insights. They process vast amounts of data from blockchain transactions, market sentiment from social media, and macroeconomic indicators to inform their decision-making process. At their core, crypto AI agents employ several key technologies. Machine learning allows them to improve their trading strategies over time by learning from historical data and market outcomes. Natural language processing helps in analyzing news, social media posts, and other text to gauge market sentiment or detect influencing events. These AI agents can directly interact with blockchain networks to execute transactions, stake tokens, or participate in DeFi protocols. There are several platforms that are pivotal in the current AI agent ecosystem. Virtual's protocol, users can create and manage AI agents, assigning them specific tasks or trading strategies. It's essentially a platform for deploying AI in cryptocurrency management, including the ability for agents to act as influencers. Cookie.fun offers analytics services, providing insights into how AI agents perform across different metrics, helping users understand the effectiveness and efficiency of their AI strategies. AI16Z. This platform integrates AI into venture capital within crypto, where AI agents analyze investment opportunities based on community proposals and market data. Unlike human traders, AI agents don't sleep, ensuring that they can react to market movements at any time. They can manage thousands of transactions or analyze vast datasets without fatigue. Over time, they refine their strategies, potentially leading to better outcomes as they accumulate more data and experience. Their decisions are data-driven, avoiding the emotional pitfalls that can affect human traders. And beyond all that, their capacity to act as influencers adds another layer to their utility by fostering community engagement. Speaking of influencers, if I could influence you to hit that like button right now on this video, that would be amazing. Crypto AI agents are reshaping how we approach trading and investment in the digital asset space. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, they offer a new dimension of autonomy and efficiency. Their ability to also influence is just one facet of their broader technical capabilities. Whether you're a developer, trader, or simply curious, understanding these agents provides insight into the future of finance. Welcome to the technical evolution of crypto.